Well, I've just checking in my hostel. This is Diana Hostel, Helsinki downtown, and so far my first impressions are really great. The receptionist, she was really kind, really nice with me. Towel is included. They also have breakfast included, which I will check tomorrow. And she told me that my room is fully booked, so probably people will arrive soon. I'm the first arriving at this room, and the facilities here, they look nice. They look really beautiful. I will show to you guys here. So this is my bed. This is I will stay here in the inferior part. On in the bottom part. I also always prefer to sleep here. I think it's better. And here in this room we have 8 beds, so 4 here and 4 in the other side of the room. And what else do we have here? We have some lockers, very small lockers. It means my big luggage will not fit here, but at least I can put my backpack and maybe some documents. We have some mirrors here. We have like a sink to wash hands, to brush the teeth here. Yeah, looks great. So let's check close to the bed. How is it? Yeah, we have some power sockets here, which is also important. Yeah, it's very important. We have some light here. Yeah, I don't know if it's working. It's a really weird. Yeah, I think it's off and just need to connect it. And that's it, guys. I will. It's about 5:45 p.m. here. The city is full. It also surprises me how full the city is, but in terms of vacation, looks like everybody is free. We don't see like many people working. Looks like everybody is having fun. At least this is the feeling I have. Yeah, maybe because this is the summer break. We don't have it in Brazil. We don't have like a summer break. Um, Students, very small students, children, and college students in Brazil, they have like winter vacation. Normally, it's 3 weeks during July, but everybody's working. Just teachers and some schools they stop, but the rest of the country everybody's working, so we don't feel it. And students they also have a break in December. So basically about December 20, some people about December 15th in Brazil they are already free. And then they have half of December free and the whole month of January free. And they come back to school about February 7th or February 14th, more or less. But yeah, this is our only the students. Normally people are working. We don't have like a full winter or summer vacation like here in Europe, where like I believe more than 50% of the European population, if I'm not wrong, at least I have this feeling, look like everybody's free. We don't have it there in Brazil, so everybody is just working, 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 working. And when people have vacation, or they choose whatever the month they wanna go on vacation, that's what I do. Or their companies just choose which month they should be free, which is terrible. But yeah, some companies just do that. And yeah, that's it. I think I will maybe take a shower, eat something, try to meet some friends here, and I will show you guys around. So I have today, half of the day today, and I have tomorrow, the whole day tomorrow. And on Thursday, I will take a boat in the morning, I think about 9 a.m. So that's not so early, that's great. And I will cross to Estonia, so Baltic states. Estonia, then Latvia, then Lithuania. So see you soon, guys. Bye bye.